students, hope you all are good and healthy. Today I am going to discuss about log on to Access. First of all, how to open MS Access. To open MS Access we have to follow some steps. Click on Start button. Then now select Microsoft Office to Microsoft Office Access 2007. MS Access is a database application. What is database? A database is an organized way to store information. It is very difficult to maintain a database manually when there are hundreds and thousands of records. The chance of making mistake increase. A computerized record keeping system that allow us to create, extract, sort, update and query a database is known as database management system. Sometimes we can call it DBMS. It saves our time and energy. There are minimal chance to committing errors and even data handling become very fast and efficient. How can make database? In Access, first of all we have to make a database. To create a new database, we have to click on blank database option. Here you can type your database name. Its by defaulted name is database1. Its extension name is .accdb. Here you can type your database name. Suppose my database name is sdhss.accdb. We have to click on create button. After few seconds my database will be created. Here you can see a table. Its name is table number 1. It's a by defaulted name. You can change the table name. Every table made by some field. What is field? A field is a column within a table that contain only one type of information is called a field. In the database of school information system, field should be roll number, name, address, date of birth are the different fields name. According to fields, we can insert the records. What is records? A collection of fields make one record. A record display all the information about a single entity. In the given example, a student's roll number, name, father's name, address, telephone number and date of birth indicate one complete record of a student. What is file? A file is a collection of related records. And what is database? A database is an organized collection of related information or data stored in files. In addition to storing data, you can also access, sort and summarize information related to data. There are mainly two types of database. One is flat file database and second one is relational database. In flat file database we can store and retrieve information. And in relational database we can relate more than one tables together. First of all we have to learn how can create a table in database. So first of all here we can see our datasheet view. Every table we can make by two different views. One is datasheet view and second one is in design view. First of all we have to learn about datasheet view. In datasheet view, if we want to make a table, so we can write field name. Just like if we want to make first field is roll number, so we have to apply right click on the column name and first is by defaulted ID field, so we have to rename it. We can type its name is roll number. Second field, right click on this new column, rename it with name of student. For moving on next column we have to press tab key. Now next column name is class. Again we have to press tab key. Next column name is section. Again press tab key and type date of birth. So we can make more than one columns according to requirement. So here we can insert many records and can save it. For saving it, we can use Ctrl plus S. Ctrl plus S, it's a shortcut for saving document. For closing it, we can use Ctrl W. Ctrl W generally used for save and close the table. Next topic is how can create table using template. One of the easiest way to create a table is to use a template. A template is a ready to use database that contains various type of tables, queries, forms, etc. needed to perform a specific task. To use it, we can click on Create tab and also can choose Table Templates. They are having 5 categories of table templates. One is contact, second one is task, third issues, fourth events, and fifth number of assets. So I have to select contacts. Here we can see many fields related with the contact templates. So we can customize it. We can add new field, we can remove existing field according to requirement. For edit this structure, we have to apply right click on table tab and can open it in design view. And you can type here a table name. Suppose my table name is table 2 and I press OK button. My table is open in design view. I can remove or edit any field according to requirement. Just like I don't want here ID field, so I can delete this row. I want to delete this company. I also want to delete last name. I want to edit this name, student's name. I want a email address, no need to job title, business phone, home phone, I want to delete it, mobile phone, it's okay. According to requirement, I had modified this table fields. I deleted many fields and rename. After modifying the table structure, we have to press Ctrl W for close and save. We have to click on Yes button to save this structure. Now my structure is saved. I have to open this table from the task pane. Here my table is open in datasheet view. So I have to insert records according to the field's name. You can insert many records according to requirement. Now we have seen here how tables are made quickly using templates. We can also use Ctrl W for save and close it. Hope you will now be able to create a database, and tables will also be easily created from the datasheet view and templates. To open table, we can apply double click on the particular table, and for close it, we can use the close button or Ctrl W. Hope you understood this topic. We will continue next topic in next video. Thank you.